This is an exercise to help get shoulder range of motion overhead in the early stages after a shoulder injury. So I got a band here anchored high in the door. I got a chair behind me. So usually after a shoulder injury, we're comfortable kind of in this neutral range, start to get pain as we come overhead. So there's a few ways we can introduce that motion. This is one of them. I'm gonna grab a band here, palm towards me, and I'm gonna hold it, my elbow at my side. And I'm gonna take my other hand and get some slack on this band, and I'm gonna sit on down. If this is my painful shoulder, I haven't moved it yet, but I got a little muscle engagement here. It's an isometric. That can actually help with pain. And then I'm gonna slowly lower, trying to keep my thumb up, elbow in, until I get to a point where I feel like I'm pushing my range into maybe just a touch of discomfort, not much, and then I'm gonna pull back down. So we're getting some muscle activation on the pull back down, as well as some control. And often if we do this slow and controlled, we can get better range of motion than just forcing it. If this pull back down is painful, then you can use your other hand to kind of help it back down. Okay, so that's to the front. We can then come to the side, and I'm gonna do the same thing here, palm up, just slowly out to the side, back down. As you progress, you can either lower your seat, so you go a little higher, you can reach higher, you can go further away, but we want to progress into a bigger range of motion.